Sunday, and Bitcoin is grinding up. Yesterday I thought after the daily with a bearish engulfing that we will go down, but then I start seeing the candles and the markets will be more bearish, and then the candles start to make a reversal pattern, and it was easy to spot the entry. So for now we are here. We have this is the big resistance, and we need to close above the 10,000 basically to keep on going up. Tomorrow in 12 hours is the weekly close, and let's see where we are, where it closes this candle. For now the support 8.9 here, very easy, and of course here this is the support, and then let's see if we manage to go up. I'll put the BitMEX chart. So basically we are trying to push higher, but on this one we are still below the resistance. Basically the resistance is here where we are. It's very easy to spot, but we are already on top of a support of this one, so we are really in the edge of a big push up or a big push down. It's very important. If this is a fake out, we did a lower low on this week, but we can still push higher and close above. So let's see. This is the BitMEX chart. If we go higher, we close above, we can come here to the 11.2 more or less, to this cluster here, to this area, or 10.9, 11.1. If we start closing above, we can come to the other trend lines here to test the 14K or 13K. For now, let's see what we do. Indicators are pushing up. Now I will put the Bitstamp chart. It's a bit more messy, but when I open it, this is the week, okay. Already above this trend line. I'll put the daily to explain better. So we got a rejection from this trend line here. We've made the bearish engulfing, which was not huge, but still it was a bearish engulfing. And then here, when I thought we were going down, but the day start with a reversal pattern, and then we grind higher, and then here, on this big support trend line, we just came to test it to go up. So this is quite bullish for now, and I think we might go higher. At least it seems with this test of the support here. So the support now it's on the 9.4 here, and I'll put the 4 hours. So we have the resistance now here, and of course on the 10K. I'll put 1 hour, it's more easy to explain what happened yesterday. So we had all this resistance. We made this wick. We created this trend line with this wick here. Then we went here and suddenly we came down, test it and push higher. And then we got the support here. These candles are closing all the times with higher lows, and we keep on pushing higher. And this one needs to close above this one to keep on pushing higher. Otherwise we come here to test this support on the 9.4 area in the weeks. So it can just come here. If we come, it can be very fast, this movement. It can come here and then back up to do a higher low again. We need to close above that one, basically. But looks strong. So also all these moves, it's more easy to spot like this. We had the big wick down, we grind it up, we test the resistance, came down, I made a short, and I took profits. And then when I saw this happening, because with this spot here we create this trend line, we went up, and then when I saw this, touch it and suddenly back up, it was like very bullish and very easy to spot. And now we are facing the resistance again here, but this one is, let's see if this is a fake out. And now this is the big test. If we come and close above this one or this one, we go higher. If we close below these two candles, we will come at least here or to these areas. So it's easy to see with the price action. We have this rejection, but it's just to get support basically, and it's the market is with a bit of strength at the moment, and the support it's on the 9.4 basically. We can come to test it one more time, but this week here we came to test this area, the 9.44. We didn't test this one, but let's see. This was already enough to go push higher. It was already support. So we are now in this channel here facing resistance, but as I said, we are already testing support on the daily on this big trend line. So it's very important, this move. So now let's see, the resistance is on this candle here on 9.8. That's the big test, and we need to close above the 9.8, 9.9 or 10k. If we start closing, we will keep on going higher. So let's see. And yeah, so tomorrow I'll do a new update. See, we are not passing this one. Seems like it's facing resistance. And now we can just be here, but the big support it's on the 9.4, and here we can bounce just from here, from the 21. I think it's the most obvious thing. Let's see what it does. Indicators are already down, but still pushing a bit higher. I don't know if we found the top for these next hours. So this is the channel. The buys are from this big support here. This is the buy area here and here until here, which is this candle close. So this and this all these weeks. I'll put a horizontal line so it's more easy to spot. It's here. It went a bit higher, but yeah, so it's around here basically, slightly below, it's a little bit down. What? It's because of it's here. Yeah, so this is the support here, big support of all the area. The top of it. Basically this is the top, this is the bottom here, this cluster here. If we go below, also to here, it's this support here. This is the top here, so it's the same area. We found support on the same area to push higher. And now I think we will keep on grinding higher. And yeah, so tomorrow I will do another video with the week close.